It is almost an art to design comfortable cold weather clothing, especially for people under physical strain and with outside temperatures way below zero. You're faced with a well-known problem. You're geared up, so you don't want to put too much thermal insulation on, or you will start to sweat immediately. Nevertheless, sooner or later you will, because you're active and your body has to get rid of the heat it's generating. But layering down means that at a certain point you start to get cold again. And adding back another layer of clothing would mean that you're back where you started. Hot, sweating and uncomfortable. This is why we designed a special piece of clothing that helps you to keep your body at the optimum temperature, even in low temperature environments and under high physical effort. Meet the new AcE winter combat shirt. This combat shirt with a very specific hybrid structure is built for hardcore physical activities in very cold conditions. The most temperature sensitive part of your upper body, your arms, are lined with a high performance thermal lining called G-Loft. It's lightweight, breathable and performs even when wet. Additional thermal insulation is provided by built-in air pack inserts in the shoulder and upper back area. But they are more than just insulators. They fulfill three tasks. They trap air and therefore provide insulation when all ventilation zippers of the shirt are closed. But secondly, they work as spacers and support the air circulation between the insulation layers once the vents are opened. And thirdly, these 8mm thick and breathable 3D mesh cushions make wearing body armor or carrying a backpack much more comfortable. Once you start sweating, the job of the AcE winter combat shirt is to transport moisture to the outside as effectively as possible. That's why the winter combat shirt is lined with 37.5 Cocona materials, which provide excellent moisture management. Sweat is driven out through the layers of the shirt in a unique way, as it is spread over a surface that is up to 800 times larger than a common textile surface. If additional cooling is required, you can regulate the airflow between the insulation layers with the front and side zippers. To protect you against wind, rain and snow, the outer layer of the AcE winter combat shirt is made of a windproof, waterproof and breathable outside fabric. Both wrist warmers are equipped with openings which provide access to your chronometer. And for better compatibility with equipment which is worn on top of the shirt, the front zipper is angled. This avoids potential pressure points when worn under a hardshell jacket or body armor. All this attention to detail is what makes the AcE winter combat shirt a one-of-a-kind product. It keeps your body at exactly the right temperature, protects you against the elements and allows you to completely focus on your objective.